Well, if you're like me and you've had your GoPro for a while and you've gotten your media mod now, these are two things that I want to tell you that you can do with that media mod. That the first one you probably didn't even think about, and the second one I'll show you a little thing that makes it work. Let me show you what I'm talking about here. I want you to, it's using this one, the USB port. If you've had your GoPro for a while and you got your media mod, you probably forgot or either going to have to relearn the fact that you can charge your battery in the GoPro by just sticking your USB port into that USB slot and putting it on a charger, and keeps you from having to take the GoPro out of the media mod. And this one's one that's pretty intuitive, but if you've been so used to opening the door on the GoPro and charging it that way, it's just a relearning thing. Now the second one, looking on the GoPro website, it says the way to download things from the GoPro is to take the micro SD card out and put it into an SD card reader and do it that way. Well, I found something a little bit better. If you take your USB cord and stick it into the into the USB slot and plug it into your computer, you can get it to just download the files without having to open it all up and take the card out. Now, if you just take it as it comes and just plug it in to the computer, you'll get this message: USB connected, GoPro Connect, and you don't get anything on your laptop or computer. So how do you fix that? From here, you swipe down, swipe left, go into connections, go into USB connections, and put in MTP. So have the USB be MTP. And then when you connect, and sorry about this, you connect MTP, and what you'll see on your screen is the GoPro with all its little sub-menus, etc., etc., etc. So switch it to MTP, and you can just copy and cut and paste stuff to your laptop or your computer. This is for Windows. Thank you.